I have received a request on Instagram to find particular filter on Snapchat. So I'm showing you how to find it. So go to these filters, create option, then click on any of these filters and then go to this eye, click on this eye, then view profile. Now you will see filters created by Snapchat, not by creators. So you will see popular on the right side corner. Click on this popular. You will see recent. Go to this recent. So you will find recent filters by Snapchat. So I have found this filter which was requested by one user. So this is beauty filter. You can set color of your eyes and you can set color of your hair or lips, your eyelashes, your eyebrows, your hair. So this is the filter and you can experiment with it, brightness or filter colors. Okay.